Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 14 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now that being said, this process can also be done in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And all you would need to do, if you're on a screen lock or not, and you know it or not, is hold the power button, volume up, and from the boot options you're gonna swipe down to power off your device. And when the phone turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. In a moment, when you see the Realme logo on the screen, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. And when you see the language selection, you can also let go of the volume down as well. Now from here, select the language that you want to use. I'm going to be choosing English, and then select format data. This will generate a random code right here, so we're just going to need to type it in. So 4869, nice. And we're going to select format. Now, okay. And this will automatically reboot the device and continue the resetting in the background. Now, because it is continuing that process, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, so give it like a minute or so to finish it up. And once that's been finished, the reset, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.